Hello guys, I'm Santosh Kumar in Skills Points again with a new topic, and that is attendance sheet, right? So we are going to prepare attendance sheet in MS Excel. It's a very important and very advanced feature in MS Excel, because if you are working in any company, any organization, so it's very urgent and we need a very useful feature in MS Excel. If you are employee, if you are operator, so it will help you to maintain the records attendance of the employee of your organization, right? So just see, this is a dummy example you have on the screen. Just see this attendance sheet. So we have mentioned here some students and serial numbers like this, some students name. So for that we are going to make attendance sheet on the students report. So just students name I have mentioned in that place. It's a dummy entries ABCD. Okay, and I've taken a month name here, 1 to 30 days, right? And also I mentioned on Sunday, like on 7 Sunday, then 14, then 21, right? 28. And I mentioned the present. See, you just see on the screen there is a, if present, the student A is present, so display in the green color, and if the student is absent, so display in the red color. And suppose that the student is on leave, so we type L, so it display in the green color, yellow color, right? So in the last, at the last, you just see the total details of this attendance. So a students total present 22 days, and he's absent in 1 day, and he's has taken a leave on 1 day. Okay, so total working days is 24 of this month. Okay, because 1 2 3 4, okay, there are some Sundays, so that's why. And see, there is some balance also. Now just see, total working days 26, and there are 4 Sundays, so total 30 days, right? So this is a output we are going to prepare, right? So before going to start, if you are new on my channel, so please like and subscribe for more updates. Your support encourages us for making a new videos on different topics. So now we are going to start, right? Fine, so we have taken a blank sheet, so I'm just going to make as a dummy, that is a skills points. And again we are going to type attendance sheet, month of January, okay, 2021. Okay, just write down the serial number in that place, name. Okay, so these, and after that you can enter the right here as a month, dates. Okay, so for that I have mentioned only the two, and then I can drag in the right side. It's a very simple process. Just type 2 digits, start from 1 2, and after that select those both records, both cells, and just you can drag in the right side, right? So month is 31, so we'll take a 31. Okay, here, see. But what we need to do this, we will decrease the column size. We will adjust as per our format like this. Okay, so this is a very small size. So what we'll do, we'll decrease the size of the column. So we'll take a long time if we do like this. If we decrease a single columns, so what we'll do, just select the click on the column heading, that is a C. Okay, and you go at last one and just press the shift key from the keyboard, and there is a last column, that is a AG. Okay, so you just click on the column heading, see, all selected, and you have a two method. Right click on the column heading and you just adjust column width. You can put a sign value here. Suppose that we want to set a 3 size, just 3. Okay, and after that, what we need to do is the formatting part. So we are going to get here total present, okay, and then total absent, and total if students or employees given a leave application, so we'll add leaves. After that, total days. So these are some inform details which we need to store at the last of this. Okay, and yeah, fine, we need to apply the some formatting. Okay, and just adjust the, and next we want to set the header part of this tendency. So we'll select the skill details, need center, and these formattings you can apply. Fine. After that, select all one, you can apply color effect on that. Okay, it depend on you which color do you want. Okay, and like suppose that I want to apply the students serial number, employee serial number, so you can write here. Okay, same as it is, you can drop for 5 employees. Okay, so I'm just going to write a Rajan, Sunny, Pavan, okay, Karan, Deepak, and so on. Okay, so we have some informations, like we are going to make a attendance sheet on for 5 students or employee, so we can adjust here. See, suppose that these informations, and before the date, if you want to write here designation and department, so you can write here. Okay, you can insert a column and you can write a department or anything else, right? I don't want to use much of time for that, right? And suppose that I'm just given a just a dummy, suppose a January, so January there is a 7, so I just want to put as a Sunday here in that place. So what we'll do, you can write a single character in the single cell, or you can merge this cell. So it is a merge option. Okay, Sunday put here. See, it's not visible, so what we can do, we can rotate this text. So what we will do in the alignment text, just this is an orientation part, right? So you have a many options, so we'll just click on the vertical text. Okay, see, and suppose that it's not visible, just will increase the, what will increase row height like this. See, and after that you can just apply the formatting effect on the Sunday box. See that if you want to apply the like this is the Sunday, and copy and just paste on the next Sunday, then the 28, and this is a 28. So in the month of the January there are 4 Sunday, right? And now the next and main part is some feature and some function we will apply on this. At last field, that is a total present, total absent, total leaves, and total working days. See, suppose that the students is present, so definitely we'll write a P in that place. Suppose that Rajan is present, so we'll write a P in that place. So what we'll do, so see, in the total present, so we want to see the total number 1, right? In that case, if again he is present in the day 2, so in the next total we want to see the number of 2, and that means 2 days is a present. So this process we want automatically. So what we'll do, we'll apply the some functions. Okay, so user equal countif bracket start, and we are going to start function here, and if is present, then display 2. Okay, not in that, sorry for that, I'm just missing some points here. Before Sunday we'll apply the sum function and formula in that place. Okay, so we are going to start and apply the sum condition in that, right? So I'm going to here use count f bracket start, and we are going to give the range of this. See, 1 to 30. Okay, just see here, comma, you will write P here, that means the total percent. Okay, at this time the total percent is 0, and next is absent. So the same formula will apply in that place. What we'll put here, some condition, count if bracket star, and again we'll give the range of this 1 to 31, comma, if a, that means absent 0, and the same, that is a count if, again we'll put a address or range here, and in that case we'll put here in L for leave. This is a some character we have added here, and in this place we want to use total working days. Total working days will count all threes. Okay, the next part is after the condition, right? What we'll do after this condition, we want to apply the condition on whole. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll drag in the next rows also. Okay, next part is a Sunday. So suppose that on the day is Sunday, date is a 7, so this is a Sunday. So we'll type here, and you can apply the merge concept, you can apply the formatting features, and then apply. You can rotate the text in the vertical part, and you can just decrease the size of this. Okay, so bigger, that's good, that's good. And suppose that 7 is a Sunday, the next Sunday is on 14, then 21, you can copy and paste, then 30, 28, fine. And now if we put here P, so just check here in the total percent is 1 if the candidate is A, so just see in that absent column there is a 1, and if the student is on leave, so in the leave column you want to see this is a on leave, total days, okay, 20 3, but in that case I want to see in highlighted or indicate in a different colors. What we want to do use, what one we want to use here, we need to apply, select the range of this. Okay, and there is a on the home tab you have a conditional formatting, and this is the first one, that is a highlight cell rules. So in that option there are many options are available, so we are going to use the text that contains, so we'll select one, text that contain. Here format cells that contain the text, so we want to use a P for present, and here's that some different color styles. Condition, we'll use a condition green, means the if the employee or students is present, so display in a P color, right? Clear? And again we want to apply the same condition that students is absent. Sorry, next one is check text highlight and text that contain absent, then display in the dark red color, and then okay. And the same condition if we want to apply is he is on leave, L for leave, so it display in the yellow color, then okay. Now we are going to just check if the Rajan is on 1st January, he is present. Now see, it's in walking, it's walking, that means he is present. And now just see in the total areas, see this box, we need to apply the some condition in that place, so we are going to apply the some condition in that place. Okay, here also fine, and then you can use any condition. Next we are going to check this is absent, display in the red color, and he is on leave, display in clear. Now present, next, okay, next, clear. I think no, there is no any confusion. If you are facing any problem, so you can write in comments, I will solve your problem, right? The same condition here also, Fine. If the student is present, so display in the p color. And now see, this is the next one is for Sunny. Okay, so you can apply in all those areas. Here no students is absent, so you can see here we want to give the full present. Okay, no, I don't want to type. mm, okay, next is a p1. See the total functioning, it's functioning. Okay, there is any confusion, so you can write in comments. And one thing is very important, please like and subscribe my channel. Okay, now done, total working we have done. See, at last you can see the first. Okay, I'm just decreasing the size, see the visible. Now the first student is a second is absent, so total absent is 1 2 because he is also in that place. If we put anywhere, now see total absent and automatically the percentage is counted. Okay, and the last is also the absent. See, he is a 1 2 3 4 5 days absent and 1 6 days absent, right? So total number of working is, and his total working days 27, right? So this is a complete part of this attendance. And after that you can we will apply some um, salary part on this, because salary also calculated on the number of working days. See, that means a present, total present is this, so we'll calculate the salary also in this. So this is a very simple attendance sheet concept. If you want to make, so you can just see this video again and again and you can prepare, right? And the formatting parts you can apply as your choice. If you want to apply some more feature on this, so you can apply formatting feature. Okay, like this. Fine, so this is a attendance sheet. If you have any confusion regarding, so you just write in comments, I will solve your problem. Okay, and I need your support. Please like and subscribe for more updates. I will make some more videos in MS Excel, and some also the one playlist is also going on, that is a MySQL for database concepts. Okay, thank you very much.